Just took a little nap on Saturday. I'll be okay. That was the quote from Jalek Swoll after his little dirt nap, I guess you'd want to call it. Not exactly a good thing, but after his round one concussion, he is officially, as of I'm reading this today, ruled out for at least round two of the SMX playoffs, which sadly is massive for him. I mean, obviously, you never want to miss a round in general, but coming into the playoffs, he was eighth in combined 250 AMA Supercross and Motocross points. Leaving, he is 17th. So he's, I mean, obviously sitting out, not racing last weekend, sitting out this weekend, he's out of this. For all intents and purposes, it might be smart of them just to say, yeah, he's going to sit out the third round too, because at that point, what's he racing for? A podium, maybe a win, a little bit of bonus money, but nothing really otherwise. And it's kind of weird. You think at this point, Triumph, who started the year with three racers, is now going to be in the second round of the SMX playoffs and have no one. Evan Ferry's gone. What's his name? Savachi is now with Firepower Honda, and Swoll will be injured for this round. So you will not be seeing a Triumph race at all, which is kind of sad to say, but I mean, hopefully it's not horrible. Obviously concussions are never good, and especially the way he just joked around about it, like, "Oh, I just took a nap, it's fine." It's not exactly something that's dealt with very good, at least it seems around in this sport, but we'll see how it works out. Maybe he's going to come for round three, and like, yeah, he might race for the little bit of points, the extra finishing in, the standings for a little bit of bonus, maybe a podium, who knows. He could be quick, he could be fast, but eh, it's going to be one of those things, and we'll see how this goes. But you guys tell me, are you excited for the next two rounds? What do you think about it? What's going to happen? Who do you think is going to win? Whatever it is, comment down below. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things the platform allows you to do, because it really just helps me out, and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.